Brush assets are here, over 100 to find. Customizable, shareable designs redefined. Sculpting's faster, tools sharper than before. 5 times the speed, now you can do even more. Grease pencils rewritten, stronger, sleek, and new. Geometry nodes meet curves, it's a breakthrough. Slam UVs for organic flows. Packed bakes, Gizmos, the new workflow shows. Brush assets, faster sculpting, revolutionize. Tools galore, a brand new grease pencil, and so much more. From nodes to shaders, light linking uncovered. Blender 4.3, yeah, it's got you covered. Links light and shadow with ease. Real-time compositing. F12? No need. Gabor noise bands for textures precise. Metallic BSDF surfaces that entice. Warnings, geometry names, new nodes in sight. Grease pencil curves meet procedural might. Baking pack previews tight, faster workflows, everything's just right. Brush assets, faster sculpting, revolutionize. Tools galore, a brand new grease pencil, and so much more. From nodes to shaders, light linking uncovered. Blender 4.3, yeah, it's got you covered. Zones for nodes, for each element lands. Procedural power is in your hands. Slam UVs make stretching a thing of the past. Organic shapes that are built to last. Interactive shading with features you crave. Blender's the tool, riding the wave. Brush assets, faster sculpting, revolutionize. Tools galore, a brand new grease pencil, and so much more. From nodes to shaders, light linking uncovered. Blender 4.3, yeah, it's got you covered. Blender 4.3, tools that inspire. Set your world on fire. Packed with features you'll love to discover. Blender 4.3, yeah, it's got you covered.